What I want to do today is I want to straighten the top part of my hair and then curl the bottom parts of my hair. What you hear right here is the TYMO Airflow. So this is actually shooting out cold air to go ahead and secure and really lock in that curl. So another great thing about this TYMO is that it is a 2-in-1. So it is a straightener, but it's also curved, so you are able to curl your hair with. So I went ahead and powered on the cool shot, and then I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm going to straighten this piece, and then at the middle I'm going to start curling. That beautiful curl. So straight. Then right about the middle you want to start twisting and curling. Straight and then start twisting. And then once your hair has cooled off, you want to go ahead and loosen up those curls. I like to run my fingers through my hair. I like to add a little bit of oil serum. Just brush through the curls, little extra shine. And just like that, super simple, beautiful curls in minutes. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think.